Now there is this very famous book written by Steve Harvey entitled Act Like a Man, Think Like a Lady. But we as galleys must remain 10 steps ahead of them at all time. So I have written this book to counteract that book. My book is entitled Think Like a Mean Man, Act Like You're Kind. Case and pine. Well on Vegas, wait, you need to learn this. Over the years, a lot of men make the mistake of love of woman based on physical attributes. In other words, how them look, without ever investigating the content of them character.
That sounds good in theory and everything, but how do you do that?
It's simple. You test gal, just give them an obstacle course. All them stush pretty gal, yeah, you just carry them out. And just ask them, say, you want something to eat? And if she use her stushness and say, no, she alright, don't ask her again. Make hungry kill her lad.
Hell no. Come on, man. I mean, Shorty's gonna want to leave. Shorty's gonna leave.
Yes! That means it's time for the next phase.
Damn, there's more? What next phase?
You deliberately just drive your car on E and make it run out of gas in the middle of the road. That makes you come out and help you push it out of the road. Furthermore, you give her the gas buckle and her bills and tell her buy 2 bills gas. And just watch her reaction and her facial expression. Students, you see she decide to go buy the gas but she never willing to go. Just wait till she gone and draw for the extra buckle of gas we have hiding in the car and don't make she come back to come see you.
Nah, that's some bullshit.